We found this car abandoned in a quiet, forgotten place, where time seemed to have stopped. The original owner stood beside it, and without many words, the deal was made. Cash was handed from one person to another, both faces clearly visible, while the car sat silently in the background, worn out and neglected. The vehicle was in far worse condition than expected. The tires were flat, the windows were shattered, and the body was completely eaten by rust. Inside, dirt and decay covered everything. We tried turning the key, but the engine gave no response at all. It was clear this car could not move on its own anymore. When the hood was opened, the reality became even more obvious. The engine bay was filled with corrosion, broken wires, and damaged components. Every part showed signs of long-term neglect. The interior told the same story: torn seats, a cracked steering wheel, and surfaces buried under dust and grime. Since the car could not be driven, it had to be loaded onto a large flatbed trailer. Using a winch, it was slowly pulled up and secured with heavy straps. The trailer then carried the car toward the workshop. This was not just transportation, it was the beginning of the restoration journey. At the workshop, the car was completely dismantled. The front, rear, doors, and interior parts were carefully removed one by one. Rust was stripped away, deep cleaning was done, and damaged components were repaired or restored. This stage required patience, precision, and time. Finally, everything was reassembled. Slowly, the car began to look alive again. In the final moment, the key was turned once more, and this time the engine started. This was not just a repair, it was the return of something that had been forgotten.